Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the rear door panel on a Honda Civic. The first thing we're going to do is remove this window control unit, and to do that you can use a flathead screwdriver, or I'm going to use a plastic pry tool, and we're going to get up underneath the back here and just pry up on it. So between the armrest here and the window control unit, and then just pop it up. And then we're going to unplug it by just pushing this little tab right here and then pulling out at the same time. And then we need to remove this Phillips screw right here. Next, pull out on the door handle and then take a very small flathead screwdriver, and we're going to push on this tab right there, kind of wiggle the flathead in between there and push on that tab real gently, and then pull that molding cover out. And in behind there is a clip and then a Phillips screw. So we're going to start by removing the Phillips screw. You can shut the door handle and then go underneath it and then get that screw out of there. And then for this clip, you just want to take that small screwdriver again and press in the center of the clip. And you don't want it to go all the way through, but you just want to push it so it's indented. And then when we go to take the door panel off, it will come out with the door panel. And next we're on the bottom of the door panel now. And we're going to use the plastic pry tool again, except for this time we're going to be using the wide plastic pry tool. And you can get sets of these for pretty cheap off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get those. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to drive it between the door panel and the metal door frame. And we get it between there, and then just tap it. Tap it with your hand to get it started. And then you're going to place one hand on the lower storage area of this door panel. We're going to hang on to that. And then your other hand you're going to hold of your plastic pry tool, and you're going to pull out at the same time and pop the bottom of the door panel here loose. So at this point the whole door panel is loose. It's just hanging on this top edge here by the window. But before we get this door panel off, we're going to go in there and get that clip that we pressed the center out. We're going to get that clip out. And so when we get the door panel loosed, typically this clip here, it'll start to work its way out, and you can get in there behind there with a plastic pry tool and just kind of pop it out. Sometimes it'll fall out when you pop the door panel loose. But that's the clip there. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to take the door panel and we're just going to pick up on it. And when you pick up on it, it releases the edge of the door panel from the door frame here by the glass. And then from the back side of the door panel here, this is the door handle. We need to release the door handle in order to get this door panel off. And you can see these tabs here. There's some on the bottom here. We're just going to push them in. Same with the ones on the bottom. You're going to push them in, and then you're going to take the door handle, and once it's loose, you're going to twist it sideways and then push it through the door. And from the other side it looks like this. So you get the clips on the back side, you get them pushed in, and you push out on it, and you kind of wiggle it, bring it out, and then spin it sideways, and then you just feed it back through the door, and the door panel's off. And so when you go to put it back on, it's real easy. Kind of the same thing. Take this and you turn it sideways, feed it through the hole. Then you want to take the back side of it and line it up with the back of the door panel. And you want to make sure that the door handle is overlapping this very edge of the door panel. Get that lined up, and then the front, just push it in and it'll snap right in. And then you basically just want to take the top edge of the door panel here and push it to go up and over and then down into the door itself, and then it's just hanging on this top edge, and then you just go around and use your hand to snap the clips back in around the sides, and make sure your plug is seated outside of the door panel, it's not down inside, and basically just put it back together the opposite way that we took it apart. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove the rear door panel. Thanks for watching.